Welcome to China, a country we've all heard of. I mean, they are one of the oldest civilizations in the world. They have the Great Wall.
Pinch me.
What did we just do?
They've hosted both the Summer and more recently the Winter Olympics, with their athletes usually dominating these events. They have a huge population of almost 1.5 billion. We all have something in our homes with a Made in China label. Then I don't even have to mention Chinese food.
Oh my word, this is so good.
But we are also forming our opinions of this country based on news from Western media.
China.
We are Craig and Chantal, a South African couple living in New Zealand, and we wanted to go and experience this country with its rich history and vibrant culture for ourselves. After finding a great deal on flights, we set off on a 2-week adventure through China. Shanghai, with a population of over 24 million, was our first stop. We knew things were going to be on a whole different level. From the third tallest building in the world to the busiest pedestrian shopping road, amazing street food, and the cutest cafes.
I don't know how to describe it.
It's pretty incredible.
Suzhou was just an overnight stop, but we made the most of our 24 hours. We visited the 500-year-old humble administrator's garden, wandered through the vibiest street food market set on the water, joined a dance party in the park,
This is one of the top moments of our trip.
and stayed in what turned out to be our favorite accommodation of the trip. Beijing felt like a different country altogether. This is where we got to tick off a massive bucket list moment. The Great Wall of China. And can I just add that we tobogganed down the Great Wall of China.
Welcome to the Great Wall of China.
This is core memories right here. We also went from the almost 300-year-old Summer Palace to the world's largest universal theme park filled with high-tech rides. One of the highlights, the transport. The maglev train in Shanghai is the world's fastest commercial passenger train. China has the biggest rail network in the world with a combined 11,000 kilometers of rail, and of course the world's longest and most extensively used high-speed rail system, spanning 45,000 kilometers. Thank you, Wikipedia, for all the stats. The whole system is sleek, efficient, clean, on time,
3, 2, 1.
Let's go.
and of course fast. Not even to mention their mega airports. Craig, as a transport engineer, was in his element. And then there are the people. Even though we didn't speak the same language, we found that a friendly smile goes a long way. Locals always try to help, and we'd laugh together when Google Translate didn't quite get it right. We were surprised, in awe, and quite simply gobsmacked by this underrated tourist destination called China. We hope you're ready for our brand new series, and we can't wait to take you with us.
Have you ever seen such excited people to arrive in a country?
Kids in a candy store.